Hey, what's up, guys? Today you're about to say the word. Say the word.
Dog.
Doggy. Yeah.
The hairs.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the hairs. Show them the hairs.
Well, you can see it on the ground. Looks like snow.
Yeah. Show it to the camera.
Where the hell am I going on?
Right. Okay. Tell her what it's called. Tell her what it's called.
She's called May, but she's got a nickname called Mayhem.
Yep. And do not say the R word.
Look at that.
Look, guys. I'll take it off. It looks easy.
The birds will use that for their nests.
Yes, guys. Oh, I just spat right on my iPad screen. Yeah, guys, that's...
That's right, it's going all over you.
Ah!
Sorry.
The hairs just went over me, guys. My guys. Okay, there's my maid doggy. That's a toy. Not sure yet. Actually, I I'm recording it.
You're not taping or having a wee.
I am.
Oh.
I just taped having the longest wee alive.
Look at it. Look at it all.
What eye colour does she have, me?
Brown?
She has brown eye colours.
Brown.
Yeah, you may not see it, but I'll take a photo in a few minutes to show you guys. By the way, when I'm looking at my way, yeah, it'll take me iPads like, and also I'll look for the gun and hell neighbour if you saw that video. It might not even be on my channel yet. But yes, there's my doggy man. Me boy. Me boy.
Got carrot.
Just show the guys and girls.
Right, we'll make that sit. Right, may sit. May paw. Be nicely.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl.
Yes, guys, it's Woody Fan 69 below. So subscribe to today, grow up, and yes, subscribe to the Woody Fan 69 that has 10 subs. Because the old one that had 200 subs isn't actually me, but that account got me bones that broke with that. Shut it down. I'll show you later, guys. So you'll understand. You'll be like, okay.
She's eating grass now.
I'm gonna record this not eating grass, guys. Look at that little statue, guys. There's the leaf. I might censor it just in case, because my face might be on it and I don't want to get it.
See that bush in the corner?
Yeah.
There's a little robin's nest in there.
Well, let's look. Move up my way, fat ass.
You can't see
Fat
it.
horse.
You go right inside the
Oh,
bush.
that's...
There's little robins. If you
I'm
put it in
zooming
there.
in, yeah. That's zooming. Over there, y'all.
Yeah, that's a little nest.
Oh. I need to zoom out. Right, I'm back at 1 now. My little dog. And guys, if you didn't know, I'm watching this. Yeah, I'm watching Kinda Keen. It's a very good YouTuber. I know he does videos with Dark Lake and he's pretty funny. I watch his videos every day. And I get recommended for that. I'm like, oh, I'll watch it. Right, so, oh my god, let me do it. Oh, E. Also, BTW, guys, this is not my house. It's my grandmother's house. Ooh! What is that? Like, guys, I don't even know. So, yeah. There's that.
In mouth.
John.
What's his name? It's ringing, so you must be driving.
Yes. Guys, you should know who that is. I have a mom. I have a grandma. And I have a granddad. I might have the name. I might not. Granddad. It might not sound like it is. Granddad. Granddad is long. Guys, if you laugh, the video actually will end. Okay, guys, you see me as little toy? Shut up! So I think my dog has more toys, but I don't really know because yeah, guys, see the shadow? It's my iPad. That's my shadow. Shadow reveal pog. I'll only show you a neck reveal and the face reveal because I don't want to get age sitting and terminated. Me, man. Be right back. Bye. Actually, me. I have a photo. Grab it. There you go. Oh wait.